How much I earned with Monometric in last 30 days. So watch this complete video to know more. I joined Monometric in February and in last 30 days I earned $135 and some cents. So just watch this complete video tutorial and understand every single point. And my impression is almost 700k and page views is 44,000, session is 38,000, page RPM is 3.08 and session RPM is almost $3 and display I earn in display $137. So this is my complete Monometric dashboard. My here is earning and I joined Monometric February 10. My first earning is $1 and day by day my earning is increased $4, $5, $5 and some cent, $4, $4 and some cent, $6 and $3, $4 and here my earning is increased almost $8, $7 day by day my earning is increased. So I am also running AdSense ad with Monometric. Here you can see my last 30 day earning February 10 to March 9 and also Monometric is same. From AdSense I earn $79. So my AdSense earning is low because my RPM is low and also I run low AdSense low ad. I show only some AdSense ads on my website. Here you can see my daily earning is $2, $3 and here I am just removing my AdSense ad. Reason is because I just increase my Monometric ads on my website and here you can see that's why my earning is increased and I just remove AdSense ad in the end of March 8 and March 9 and I just remove AdSense ads and my Monometric earning is increased. Here my RPM is almost $7.09 from $3 to $7.09. My RPM is increased. So many people earn a different money because their niche is different, their country is different and so that's why their RPM is high. So I also asked this question to Monometric. My RPM is so low, just $1, but my AdSense RPM is $5. So they answer me. So they answer me because you just join our network. So our system takes 30 to 60 days to increase your website RPM. So that's our system detect your website traffic. How here you can see, just read this email. What they asked me. So when I join my RPM is $2, $3, $4 and here you can see my RPM is increase from $3 to $7. My RPM is increased. Here you can see different people earn, they got 36,000 page view and their RPM is $7.95, 17.95, almost $80 RPM. Their RPM is so high because their country traffic is different, their niche is different, their topic is different, that's why their RPM is different. And Monometric increase my RPM from $3 to $4 to $8. Their RPM is increased and they earn almost $700 from this traffic from 36,000 page views. So this is a screenshot from image from Google. People share their Monometric stats, so you can clearly see their earning is different because their niche is different. Monometric give you good money. Monometric is a premium ad network. Monometric give you better earning from AdSense. Just join this premium network so and earn a double earning from your visitor. People always sharing their stat, their earning is different. Here you can see I also share my earning and here you can see my in last my total earning is $142 and how they pay, they have 60-day terms. For example, you earn in January and they pay you January payment, February, March in April. For example, I earn this money in February March, April and May. I earn this money $84 in February, and they give me money in May, February, March, April and May. They give me this earning, and my March earning they give me in May and June. They give me my March earning in June. So they have a 60-day term. So for example, you earn this in March and they give you in February. Note, they have 60 days term to get money from Monometric. I think this is a bad thing for new blogger. This is a bad advantage for new bloggers. So how to join Monometric? So this is so easy to join. I give you link in description. Just go and join Monometric. So this is so easy. Monometric have different monetization programs for publishers. So how much you have monthly page views on your website? So if you have 10 to 80k page views, then this is for you. 80k to 500k, 500k to 10 million. And so how much you have monthly traffic, just fill out your website URL page view and submit to Monometric, and then Monometric contact you back. So Monometric is a good platform to increase your website earnings. So I recommended you join Monometric. So it's depend on your website niche and your country traffic. So you will get good money from Monometric. If your RPM is good, then you get a good earning from Monometric. So already many people using Monometric, and I am also using Monometric. So I recommended you use Monometric on your website and increase your website earning. So the bad thing is they give you they have 60-day terms payout terms. So this is a bad thing. So but the Monometric is a good platform. So just join today and increase your website earnings. So here you can see different people share their stats. That's all. Also they give you every single email reply. If you facing any problem, then they will reply you instantly. So if you face any advertising problem, payment problem, any other problem, they reply you instantly. Sometimes they take 24 to 48 hours, but they give you reply. I hope this tutorial helpful for you and your doubt is clear on about Monometric. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.